Now let's see this theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem. Let f of x be defined in the interval a comma b such that it satisfies two conditions. First condition is f of x is continuous in a comma b. Second condition is f of x is differentiable in the range a comma b. Then there exists at least one point c which belongs to a comma b such that f dash of c equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. So what they are trying to say is, if you have a function like this, let us say you have a function like this, okay, and now assume that we are talking about the range a comma b in such a way that, let us say this is a and maybe this is b, okay. So this is a and this is b. Now within this range two conditions have to be satisfied. First condition is f of x is continuous, it should be continuous, and the second condition is f of x is differentiable in the range a comma b. So if you see this, it is definitely continuous between these 2 points as well as is differentiable. There are no holes, there are no jumps, that is why it is continuous, and there are no corner points or the vertex points, so therefore it is differentiable. Now they are saying that there should exist at least one point in such a way that f dash at that point, which means the slope of the tangent drawn at that one, is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, which is nothing but, see, if you write this point, this line, what is this point? This point is b comma f of b, isn't it? Now what is this point? This point is a comma f of a. Now what will be the slope of this line? The slope of this line is going to be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, isn't it? Therefore the slope of this line is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, right? And the slope of tangent at this point is f dash of c. Let us say this point is c, okay. Now what they are trying to say is, if you have any function defined like this, now there will definitely exist a point on the function in such a way that the tangent drawn at that point will be parallel to the line joining these 2 points, which means the slope of this line and the slope of this line both are equal. What is the slope of the tangent drawn at c? F dash of c. What is the slope of the line joining these 2 points? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is what they are saying, right? So now if you see the relationship between this one and the earlier Rolle's theorem, you can see that the Rolle's theorem is nothing but this one, in which Rolle's theorem has only discussed about one case where these two values are equal. What happens when these two values are equal? When these two values are equal, this line joining these two is nothing but the line parallel to x-axis. Therefore, in that theorem they were talking about the existence of a point which is parallel to x-axis, and in this theorem we are talking about existence of a point at which the tangent is parallel to the line joining these 2 points. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into university is better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.